In NLP, they call that a reframe. You take the same story and you give it a different meaning. They have 6 steps for this reframing. The step 1 is to identify that pattern of behavior that you want to change. You clearly define that a specific behavior you want to modify. So, for example, you struggle with low self-esteem and you often doubt yourself. So you want to recognize the moments when these thoughts arise and the impact in your confidence and in the decisions that you make. Step 2 is going to be about establishing a communication with the responsible part. So you connect with the internal part or the programming that you have that is responsible for that unwanted behavior. So you go within and you ask questions. In step 3, you are going to separate that behavior from the positive intention that it has. You understand that every behavior, even unwanted ones, they serve a positive intention or a positive purpose. And this step involves identifying and acknowledging the positive intention. For example, if you tend to procrastinate, the positive intention behind this behavior might be to avoid failure or criticism. So, realizing this allows you to address the root cause and to explore healthier ways to cope with such fears. Step 4 is about creating new behaviors. So, you tap into your creative side to explore new behaviors that can achieve the same positive intent, but in a more useful way. In the example that I gave, you find healthier strategies to align with your goal and your aspirations. You can break tasks into smaller steps, or you can set realistic deadlines to reduce the pressure. In step 5, you take responsibility and you establish a bridge to the future. So you make a commitment to use the new behavior and establish a plan for how to integrate them into your daily life. But if you catch yourself feeding the old story, don't be mad at yourself. See this as valuable learning experiences that contribute to your personal development and resilience. And the last step is going to be an ecological check. So you're going to assess the potential impact of the change on yourself and others to ensure that it's beneficial, that it doesn't create unintended negative consequences or further limiting beliefs.